This video will be about Revelations of Dreams, audiovisual books with biosignals translations, brainwaves and heartbeat and stable diffusion based animation. I started it a year ago and you can learn more about it on the webpage. And in this video I just show the process of recording, how it goes. So the book has a structure of 4 stories in a line or a row, and currently there is 130 stories. And if you want to record the next one, it's important to check like where we stopped, like here, and to see which one fits with alignment to the next one. It can be alignment by semantics, like characters, woman, man, or whatever. It also can be just by colors or geometry. So then we go to original old Mindreplay application, where we have this puzzle representation, and this will be actually our order for our story. We can choose specific image here, and it will go like starting from the initial image here and then goes in the line like this way, around 14 stories. This part with story construction is probably the most challenging, but let's assume that we made one way. And then I just want to show you about Dreamflow, what's going on with these transitions. It's basically OpenCV based appearance, and we have parameters which determine how fast the fragment appear and also like how fast the drop grows. So we can show these borders. And basically it always starts from some random area and fill in the space. Then it's streamed through Spot to Touch Designer, where we have also additional effects on the trace to make them more smooth. So now it goes just in random order, but we're using a mode when it will be in the scenery we prepared before. Dreamflow is amazing because there is a huge number of possible transitions. Just for single transition between 2 images, it's a permutation number around like 1 million, and for 1 minute story with 14 images, the total different possible options is like this huge number. Next, the part with biosignals and MIDI, device to record heart activity, Colibri, neural interface, BrainBeat. So here's utilities which process ECG and EEG data. There is sound translation for each heartbeat, and also for EEG, for brainwaves, there are different sound samples looped for different waves and for attention meditation levels. And this data then streamed through OSC to Touch Designer, where we have several networks to combine it. Here we have OSC receiver for our EEG data and its metrics, and the same for ECG data and metrics, and then several nodes to just make an interesting representation of neural membrane. It's basically time dynamics of waves expression changes for 1 minute. External network besides membrane with biosignals part, we have our stable diffusion animation stream from Spot with some effects for fragments blurring, and also we have a tunnel to give a bit more dynamics. We can use MIDI to control sensitivity of color saturation from sound level and potentially other parameters.